You need to hear this if you're a traveler. Marrakech, a city that gets under your skin. The energy is palpable, a constant hum of life. Dive in, embrace the chaos, and let the city reveal its secrets. The day begins in el-Fna, the heart of Marrakech. As the first light of dawn breaks over the horizon, the square starts to stir. The golden rays illuminate the ancient stones, casting long shadows that dance with the promise of a new day. Vendors begin to set up their stalls, arranging their goods with care and anticipation. The air fills with the scent of fresh bread and mint tea. Storytellers prepare their tales. Musicians tune their instruments. The Kutubia Mosque towers over the square, a beacon for the faithful. The call to prayer echoes across the rooftops, a moment of reflection. A short walk from the el-Fna lies the Bahia Palace. Step through its grand arches into a world of beauty. Courtyards bloom with orange trees. Fountains murmur. Sunlight dances on intricate tilework. The Bahia Palace is a feast for the senses. No trip to Marrakech is complete without venturing into the Medina. This ancient part of the city is a living, breathing testament to its rich history and culture. This labyrinth of narrow streets and hidden alleyways is a sensory overload. Every turn reveals a new sight, a new sound, a new smell that captivates the senses. The air hangs heavy with the scent of spices and leather. The vibrant colours of the spices are a feast for the eyes. Merchants hawk their wares, their voices a melodic chant. The rhythm of their calls creates a unique soundtrack to your journey. Get lost in the maze. Discover hidden gems and unexpected treasures around every corner. After the frenetic energy of the Medina, find respite in the Jardin Majorelle. This serene garden offers a stark contrast to the bustling streets outside. This tranquil oasis, once owned by Yves Saint Laurent, is a riot of colour and life. The garden is a masterpiece of design. Stroll through its bamboo forests and admire the vibrant blue buildings. The striking blue structures are a signature feature of the garden. Listen to the gentle splashing of fountains. The sound of water creates a soothing backdrop. Find a quiet bench and let the serenity of this magical garden wash over you. It's a perfect spot to sit and reflect. When the sun sets, head to a rooftop terrace. Marrakech is magical at twilight. el-Fna comes alive with performers. Savour a traditional Moroccan tagine. This is Marrakech at its most enchanting. To truly experience Marrakech, embrace its rhythm. The city has a unique pulse that can only be felt when you let go of your usual routines. Let go of your watch and your itinerary. Time flows differently here. Wander through the bustling markets and let the vibrant energy guide you. Embrace the art of bargaining. It's about engaging with the local culture. Negotiate prices respectfully. Dress modestly to show respect for local customs. Marrakech is conservative. Dress respectfully, especially at religious sites. Lost? The Medina can be a maze, but locals are friendly and helpful. Learn a few key phrases. It shows respect and helps you navigate. Simple phrases like shukran, thank you, are appreciated. No trip to Marrakech is complete without sampling the local cuisine. From the rich flavors of a tagine to the sweetness of mint tea, Moroccan food is a sensory delight. Start your day with el-Fna, a flaky flatbread served with honey and butter. Indulge in a tagine, a slow-cooked stew bursting with aromatic spices. Cool down with a glass of fresh orange juice or mint tea. Don't leave without trying a pastilla, a sweet and savory pastry filled with pigeon meat and almonds. For a truly immersive experience, consider a cooking class. Learn the secrets of Moroccan cuisine from local chefs and recreate the flavors of Marrakech in your own kitchen. No trip to Marrakech is complete without sampling the local cuisine. From the rich flavors of a tagine to the sweetness of mint tea, Moroccan food is a sensory delight. Start your day with el-Fna, a flaky flatbread served with honey and butter. Indulge in a tagine, a slow-cooked stew bursting with aromatic spices. Cool down with a glass of fresh orange juice or mint tea. Don't leave without trying a pastilla, a sweet and savory pastry filled with pigeon meat and almonds. For a truly immersive experience, consider a cooking class. Learn the secrets of Moroccan cuisine from local chefs and recreate the flavors of Marrakech in your own kitchen. The call to prayer echoes one last time. Marrakech, a tapestry of history and culture, leaves an indelible mark. Discover Marrakech. Get lost, haggle, savor, and embrace the chaos. The heart of Morocco awaits. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures.